Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the cover screen on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to fold it. So this is our internal display. This is our large flexible screen on the inside that folds in half. So this is our, let's say, the cover screen. And to set it up, we need to go over into the settings. Once we are in the settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go to home screen and style. And as you guys can see here, we can customize it. So this is our lock screen. As you guys can see, this is our cover screen. This is our internal screen. Now what are we going to do is we're going to change the style. So we can do the dynamic clock, for example. We can also make it a little bit smaller, bigger, and here we can add a widget. So for example, we want to add calendar, alarm, and today's events. We can click done once we're done, and we can apply it to both screens or the cover screen only. So we're going to set it up to cover screen only, click on apply, and now this will be our lock screen. Now we want to customize the cover screen, and here we can pair it. So we can click on pair. And also we can change the effect, we can change the perspective, squeeze, and here we can use the default one. So you can try and use the perspective, for example. You can add the blur to your picture. So for example, we can add it like this. Now we can click done and change it to cover screen only. Click on apply, and as you guys can see, this is our cover screen. Now let's close the device up. This is how it looks like, and let's open our device back up. As you guys can see, both of the screens are completely different now, and that's how you guys can easily set up your cover screen. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.